to work out how much protein you actually do need on a daily basis, what you would need to do is divide the kilograms that you weigh by 0.75 grams. That is the RDA, recommended daily allowance for protein that we actually need. So if you times your weight in kilos by 0.75, that's what you'll land up as a number in gram form to how much protein you need in a day. So for an average female, it lands up being somewhere in the 45 to 46 grams per day mark, which is actually very easy to achieve given that one egg gives you 22 grams of protein. It gives you half of your daily need of protein just from eating one egg as an animal source, which is a complete protein. So when you look at vegetarian proteins, it doesn't take you very long to get to that 45, 46 gram mark either. You just need to be quite smart about it. So there are some vegan foods that are complete, and you would want to be focusing on eating a lot of these so that you don't fall into the trap of losing out on some of the amino acids. So quinoa is a very, very versatile grain, or seed actually, it's actually a seed, but you can interchange that with rice. Rice isn't a complete protein, so you may choose to eat quinoa instead to give you the complete protein profile. And it's gluten-free, which is great. So is buckwheat. It actually has no relation to wheat itself. It's a gluten-free grain, and it's also complete. And it comes in flour form or in groat form. You can make a great porridge out of buckwheat, and therefore get a complete protein profile from your morning breakfast from porridge. Pumpkin seeds are also complete, chia seeds, and a few that are not on this list here would be something like spirulina, or hemp seeds are also complete proteins.